Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about selecting and manipulating the elements. In this video, we'll select some more and manipulate some more elements, as we have already selected this dot message element here by using the query selector. Okay, so we got the context from the select elements by using the besides getting the text content, and we also can set the content of this element. Let's do this. So document.query.message. So here we are setting this content. So here we will set equals to so let's say for suppose correct number. Okay, so correct number, right? So see, automatically here we got a change detected. Here it was changed to correct number. See, from here also we just changed here to correct number. So this gets executed like shown in the execution in the last video, right? So here the bottom it will be store, so here it will be start guessing, but it will be correct number. We'll see in the result as we build on. So in order to get you more clarity, let me use this as a two examples so that you will get more clarity. So let's go ahead and copy this and copy paste, and here we'll remove this. So let's save it. See, initially we are just now you can see the change here. So start guessing, and we just changed it here the content to correct number. So as you can see, output gets changed from start guessing to correct number here. Okay. At the beginning it is written in HTML, then in the next line we changed it, and now if we attempt to read it, it should be this new content that we just said before. So what we have done here is basically we have manipulated the DOM. So because in fact, we manipulated the text content. Is one of the DOM nodes here. So here we just change the text, right? So it was DOM manipulated. So this element have this element here. Let's do now the same with the secret number also. So here we are having question mark, right? So this is the secret number. So we'll do the same here. So let's go to HTML and see the secret number. So here, what is the class for secret number? So here, see, here the class is number for the secret number. So we'll do that as well. And also we'll do for the score, right? So in the HTML, for the score here, the class is here. Here the class is label. Here the class is score, as you can see here. For this score, so we'll be doing the DOM manipulation for both this secret number and this score, and we'll grab those. So let me just go ahead and copy this instead of writing this all over again. So what we are selecting here first initially is number here. Okay, because our class number indicates this secret number. So text content here we'll say equals to 13. So it should be declared here in the string format only, and again we'll declare, and here we'll select the class score, and here we'll write 10. Here it should not be in string, so here we are declaring it in the number format itself. Okay, let me just go ahead and save this. As you can see, our secret number just turned to be 13, and here we are giving our score initially set to 10 instead of 20. Okay, So what we are doing here is great. So here we have done the DOM manipulation. So here let's move on and do the same actually with the input field. Basically this input field is where we can input some data and we can actually get the data from here and also get it in HTML. So this class here we have from this thing box, right? So from the input field, so this should be going to see here input field. So here the class is called guess here. Okay, we are going to grab that and do it in here. So as I said, it is an input element. So we are going to console this guess. So let's go ahead and console.log document.query selector. Here we are writing the selector guess. Okay, and then we are going to write dot value. Let me just explain after writing the code. So here we are going to write again document.query selector dot guess dot value. We are setting this value to 23 for example. Okay, let me just go ahead and save it. See, because this doesn't run because we have declared this after console.log, so it should be declared before consoling only. So here document is wrong here. See, as you can see here, we got our output as well. Here we just logged here into the console 23. As you can see, we are giving our input value here into 23. Okay, as you can see, right? Now you expect to see 23 here in the console instead of empty line. Now first we write 23 here in the input field and then afterwards we read it and then the value is returned in 23 is great. But now what if we want to get this number 23 for example to log into console, and whenever we click this button, check button, so that's taking that to the another level. So let's learn about this click button in the next video. So that's it for this video.